What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It is, I don't know, August something, end of August. We're still mining Ethereum, but prices are going down. Now, outside of that, a buddy of mine, a fellow YouTuber, has sent me a care package. He messaged me, well, he emailed me, and he was like, hey man, I'm getting out of GPU mining. He does some other stuff, some ASIC, a little bit of the, can't remember what it's called, but you know, all the guys that have like those little Wi-Fi box things. What I don't even remember what those were. I had one on order and it never even came, and I luckily got a return on it, but words elude me right now. So whatever that was, one of those. Let me flip this around and open this box up and see all what he sent. He emailed me about it, but he was like, man, I'm trying to get rid of these. And I was like, what you want for him? And he's like, don't worry about it, I got you. And I was like, you sure? So he doesn't know that I'm even making a video on this, but yeah. So let's see here. Set my camera up. Alrighty. Got me a little chair right here. Freon. Oh. It's taped up pretty good. I want to say he said it was like maybe a 1060 or a 1660, something like that. Oh, we got a box inside of a box. Ooh, buddy. Okay. I like using the free USPS boxes for packaging as well. Alright, so here's one. There's definitely something in there. Ten out of 10 for packaging. 100%. Oh yeah, bubble wrap inside. Oh, there's a couple cards. Alright, so first card up. Boom. I'm happy to receive any card, let alone a working card. And I think these are all working. I'm not sure. An Asus, looks to be a 2060. Wow, a clean one too. This bad boy is clean. I gotta double check my messages, because you said you were sending these over for nothing? Dude, did you even mine on it? Okay, so 2060. Thank you very much. There's another one down in here. Yo, there's all kinds of stuff down in there. There's stuff down in below that. So this looks like, I'm gonna guess this is a 1660. 100% looks like it. Boom. Sweating. Oh. MSI. Yeah, 1660 Super. Absolutely, probably one of my favorite generation of cards, just because like the cost to get into these in the beginning was really low. They were super low power, and they made good money for a long time, and they're still fairly decent when you compare them, like the value proposition. But another absolutely super clean card. Oh, I got some risers. What is this? Oh, some power buttons. Man, are you getting out of GPU mining? Let's see. Oh, and we got another box. I think that's all that's in there. Yeah, that's all that's in there. This one looks pretty nice. Big old white box. baby. We got some 6-pin splitters. Some riser. No way. A whole motherboard. Yo, was this your mining rig? This was your whole mining rig setup. It's a ASRock. It's the 6-card ASRock, so not the Pro BTC, but the all right, let me just open it. Trying to like look through the bubble wrap here. All right, it's the H81, the old Pro BTC. So it's not the Pro BTC Plus like the 12-card board, but these are absolutely still rock solid. And I believe these are older, was it 5th or 6th gen Intel? But I mean, they still work great for a 6-card rig. Heck yeah. Well, we can definitely put this to use and make a little rig out of it and mine some stuff. So let's wrap this back up. Huge shout out, thank you, Tech Hustler. I'm gonna put a link down to his stuff down below. This wasn't like sponsored, or this wasn't given in exchange for a shout out. He didn't even know I was gonna do a shout out. He's actually sent this stuff quite a while ago. But I'm gonna go open up his email and see what he said about all this, because it looks oddly enough like he's getting out of mining, and I gotta convince him not to 100% stop mining. All right, so this is the Tech Hustler's YouTube page. I'll put his link down below. Go check him out. And what I was talking about earlier when words were escaping me were the helium miners. I know he's pretty heavy into helium. I kind of like didn't really get into it, but check him out if you want to see a lot of like alternative mining. And it looks like he's actually doing some stuff about these solo grin miners. So it's pretty interesting. It's got like a monkey on it. But yeah, I can't find our correspondence where we were talking and why he gave me these. I know, I don't actually know, because I'm horrible and I can't remember anything. So, Tech Hustler, I'm gonna email you, and I don't know if I was supposed to pay for these. I don't remember wanting to buy them. I don't remember anything. I absolutely, do you ever have that, guys? Hold on, let me flip this around. Do you ever have one of those days where you just can't remember, like, anything? And I can't remember if I told him I was buying these. I don't think I was buying these. I don't know. But I want to make sure that I don't owe you any money. But either way, thank you, Tech Hustler. If I am buying them, thank you. And if you send them for free, huge thank you. But either way, go check him out. He's an awesome dude. He's actually over in the East Coast with me. So, local East Coast guy. Laying it down, staying it down, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to work on getting this rig up and running and probably do a video on that. Maybe this rig will start a different coin. We won't mine Ethereum with it. Even though these cards are pretty good on Ethereum, might start a new coin just to foreshadow some of the mining we're going to be doing here in about, what, 16, 17 days? Not Ethereum mining. So anyway, guys, thanks for coming out. I appreciate y'all, everything, that kind of stuff. We'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, let's look at the price of like Ethereum and stuff before we get off here. So it is August 28th, 2022. Just for reference, Bitcoin's at $19,600. Ethereum's at $1,439. XRP is at 32 cents. Dogecoin 6.2 cents. Ethereum Classic $31.25, and Litecoin $54, and actually just went down $53.99. So if we're watching this in the future and Ethereum's like $1,000, or sorry, Ethereum Classic's like $1,000 a coin. Yeah. All right, later guys, for real. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. It's over. Bye.